Let's do an example. We know the cost function, we know the revenue function they gave us. They are saying how many items we need to sell to have a break-even point. It's basically they're asking, hey, solve for X from the two equations. So which method we are going to use for break-even? The first one or the second one? We have two methods to find break-even, right? One is revenue equals cost, and another is profit equals zero. So which one is easier for this question?
First one.
The first one. Because we know revenue, we know cost, we can easily figure out break-even. So break-even, break-even happens when we have revenue equals cost. So revenue function is x squared plus 9x plus 1. And our cost function is 5x plus 22. They are saying how many items. It means what is the x when you solve this equation. So pre-calc is done. Pre-calc was setting up, and now you're going to use algebra. How are you going to solve for x using algebra? What is your first step? You forgot your algebra already? You need to subtract, you need to bring everything to one side because you have a highest degree 2. When you have a highest degree 2, your goal is to factor if possible.
Thank you.
Subtract 5x. Also subtract 22. So we get x squared plus 4x minus 21 equals 0. Really? 1 and 22 gives you 21. Okay. Can you think of two numbers? When you multiply them, the answer is negative 21. When you combine them, the answer is positive 4.
7 and 8.
So x plus 7 and x minus 3. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. Negative 7 plus 3 is, sorry, other way around. 7 and negative 3. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. 7 minus 3 is 4. I should write this nicely. 7 times negative 3. And then what do we do? What is our goal? What you're trying to do? Solve for x. So how do you solve for x? You guys forgot your algebra? You said so. Here they're saying multiply two factors, the result is 0. When you multiply anything and the result is 0, one of them has to be 0 because 0 times anything is 0. So definitely either this 0 or that 0, but you don't know which one. So he said individually both of them equal 0. We said, well, the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. So if the first one is 0, then x has to be negative 7 to have 0. If the second one is 0, then x has to be 3 in order to be 0. Do we accept both solution? Which one we cannot accept? Why not? Exactly. X cannot be negative because X represents items. So our correct answer is 3. That means when you sell only 3 items, you're going to have a break even. You're neither going to lose any money nor going to gain any money. And after that, you're going to get more money and more money. So you're going to get profit. Or maybe you're going to lose money. Who knows?